Good morning and welcome to this nature walk with Chill with Hemmings. It's a series of 4 in nature as we are moving into fall, and it's been quite the year. So this guided meditation is just a short meditation, and you can just enjoy the sounds and sights of nature as we bring the mind inside the body. So for now, just enjoy the turning colours of the leaves in nature. You can maybe see the rain. And the beautiful colours. It's like a carpet. In this session on fall is really about letting go of all of the thoughts and emotions that no longer serve your growth. And now I want you to find a comfortable place where you can completely relax your whole body, and that can be in the seated posture or lying down posture just before you go to bed. Most important, a space where you can really feel what's happening in your body. Any thoughts or emotions that are coming up. And allow yourself to totally relax your whole body. And you can imagine yourself walking along this beautiful carpeted path in nature. And of course, you never know what's at the end of the path. It's always an adventure. But the most important thing is to be able to stay with your breath no matter what is in your path. And so I just invite you for the next few minutes to really relax your whole body. And inhale. Gently exhale, releasing all the thoughts and emotions that no longer serve you. And inhale. And exhale. You can see, even though it's raining and it's coming into the winter months, even the leaves on the trees are very bright, like sunshine. And now I invite you to find your breath as you lie in your comfortable posture Take a deep breath in. And exhale. As you exhale, just imagine the leaves falling from the trees. Those leaves have served their purpose. Some of them fly off the tree, and some of them just fall to the ground gently, swaying in the wind. And all of them come to the ground, and they become compost for the earth and for new trees to grow. And so really focus on letting go all the leaves that no longer serve you, gently through your breath. And inhaling and exhale, and just imagine your exhale coming out through your breath, through your mouth, through your fingertips and through your toe tips. The heat of your breath travelling through your whole body. And with that breath, releasing all the thoughts and emotions you no longer need. Now going a little deeper, imagine the raindrops, large, warm drops of rain coming in through the top of your head. And those drops of rain trickling down, purifying your whole body. And you can take one of the drops of rain and imagine a drop of rain coming in through the top of your head. And that drop of rain expands through your whole body, purifying all the thoughts and emotions you were hanging on to. The drop of rain travels to your chest and clears all the tightness in the chest area, releasing all the heavy emotions. And then travelling further down, purifying all the muscles, the tightness in our stomach, solar plexus area where we hold a lot of worry and tension. And let everything go with your breath. And then the drop of rain travelling down through the torso, the hips and the legs. Imagine purifying all the muscles, all the tension, heavy tension in the thighs, hips, and allow the drop of rain to expand and purify the whole lower body. And with your breath again, imagine all tight emotions coming out through your fingertips and your toe tips. And finishing off with a drop of rain coming through your toe tips, and placing your hands gently on your chest, and just bring to mind your health goal for yourself today. I wish to be completely kind to myself and love myself no matter what. and then gently sweeping your whole body. And I thank you for joining me on the first of our series of nature meditations. And I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. And stay kind to yourself. Bye for now.